Breakfast with salmon. Salmon puff pastry with durian ice cream. AI said to add a pinch of salt to make it yummy. Pepper powder. Garlic powder. Butter. Puff pastry. Put the salmon on top of the pastry. Cover it with the pastry. Cut it. Prick the puff pastry with a fork. Put it in the air fryer. After 12 minutes, put some mozzarella cheese. It's done, guys! Very yummy. The cheese is melted. The durian is so sweet. Try it at home, guys. You'll definitely like it.